A. Muttumina, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Arulmigu Palaniyandavar Arts College for Women, Palani. In graph theory, we see vertex coloring and chromatic numbers. First, vertex coloring definition. Let us go for the definition. Vertex coloring. What is vertex coloring? Vertex coloring is an assessment of color to the vertices of a graph G such that no two adjacent vertices have the same color. Here the example. This is a graph. It have edges E1, E2, E3 and E4. Then vertices V1, V2, this is V3, this is V4. Here the color is red. So the adjacent nodes is green. This one is green. So here is red. The adjacent nodes, this one green and this one green. So I am not putting the same color red. Here this is green. The green is adjacent this one and adjacent this one. So I am not putting the same color. Then we go to next one. Chromatic number. Chromatic number. What is chromatic number? It is minimum number of colors. In graph we use minimum number of colors. It is called chromatic numbers. It is denoted by psi of G. Let us go for example. If psi of G equal to 1, if and only if G is a null graph. If G is not a null graph, then psi of G is greater or equal to 2. This chromatic number of G equal to 1. Here is chromatic number of G is greater or equal to 2. In this year, first one, the graph, first one is null graph. Chromatic number is 1. This is a null graph. This is have no edges. So the vertices are not adjacent. So it is the null graph. Psi of G equal to 1. Then it is a complete graph. Here to see minimum number of colors with them. Here we see the red color. So this one is adjacent here, this one is adjacent here. So I am not giving red color. I am giving green and green. Then next one color is green. This one is green. So the green V1 is adjacent to V2 and V3. So I am not give the same color. I am give the different color. This is the vertex coloring, and it is in graph we use minimum number of colors. This is called the chromatic number. Thank you.